How to schedule posts on Facebook. So first of all, launch Facebook app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then go ahead and tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner. Make sure that you have created your page on your Facebook. Then tap on the circle icon to switch. Now, once you have switched to your Facebook page account, tap on What's on your mind. Now, you can simply create a post. Then tap on Done at the top right. From here, go ahead and tap on Next. Now, you can see scheduling options. Tap on it. Now, tap on Schedule for later. Now, you can schedule a date you wish to post this on your Facebook page. Then tap on OK. You can also choose a specific time from this clock as well. Then tap on OK. Now, let's go back. And then tap on Schedule at top right corner. Once you do so, you will successfully be able to schedule your post on Facebook, and that post will be posted on your Facebook page at your selected time and date. In order to find your scheduled post, go ahead and tap on the hamburger icon at the top left and tap on your Facebook page name on top. Scroll down below. Now go ahead and tap on Manage Posts. From here, you will be able to find your scheduled posts easily. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.